Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to get into Typing Club. Now, we are going to get into Typing Club through Clever. So you can click on any of those big E's in the schedule, the agenda. There's going to be one at the bottom near content, or this is just a different way to get in. You go to the Central Dolphin website, you click on Students, and all the applications for students will be here on the left. Click on Clever. And then you'll click on Central Dolphin SSO. When it says username and password, you'll need to enter that 31 username with the last name of your child, the first 5 letters of your last name, their first initial, their middle initial, and then of course everyone's password is school. Once you sign in, you are going to be brought to this page. You will see a E and the teacher pages. You want to click on the teacher page. Click on Mrs. Fowler's page. Down at the bottom, I'd like you to click on Typing Club, and it will log you right in. And all you need to do then is start the lesson. Okay? And it will bring you along lesson to lesson as you complete different tasks and get to different levels. So every time you log in, go through Clever.